Israel to scale back its assault on Gaza by the end of the year? Do you want them to tone it down, move to a lower intensity phase?
I want them to be focused on how to save civilian lives, not stop going after Hamas, but be more careful.
You have every avenue, every right, and every expectation to place public pressure on Hamas.
It's not going to work, because if the more public pressure we seemingly would do, the more they would shut the door.
Well, I'm not sure about that.
Yes, they would. They would with
Well, why don't you try? Express my gratitude for your help in securing the release of the hostages. But at the same time, some of the statements that have come out from the organization seem to not make the distinction that I've just made. And I can show you what these are. But the more important thing that my goal, as you know in our conversations, is to see how we can help the remaining hostages.
What I want to urge is against just saying two-state solution. Why? Because there's an emotional chapter here that must be dealt with. My nation is bereaving. My nation is in trauma. The cup of poison that Israelis have seen has been filled. In order to get back to the idea of dividing the land or negotiating peace or talking to the Palestinians, etc., one has to deal first and foremost with the emotional trauma that we're going through and the need and demand for full sense of security for our people.